Greetings of the day, and in today's video we will be observing the course orientation of environmental engineering, and this is Mr. T.P. Srijani, and I am working as a senior assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, MVGR College of Engineering. And this course orientation is on environmental engineering subject, which is one of the core important subjects of civil engineering. And why should students study this particular subject? What they will be gaining out of this subject? See, these aspects will be discussing in this particular video. So, coming to the environmental engineering, see, student will be understanding the urban water systems and environmental engineering background through this particular subject. See, he could be solving certain problems in the water supply aspect, treatment aspect, and sewage disposal applications. And at last, he would be able to design the water treatment plant and sewerage system components. So, holistically, he will be understanding the urban water and sewage management planning basically. And if you observe what is environmental engineering, see, environmental engineering is a professional engineering aspect where it will be a subdiscipline of civil engineering, chemical engineering, and mechanical engineering. See, generally, environmental engineering is utilizing certain topics like chemistry, biology, ecology, geology, hydraulics, hydrology, microbiology, and mathematics to create solutions that will protect and also improves the health of living organisms and improve the quality of the environment. So, environmental engineering is the application of scientific and engineering principles to improve and maintain the environment in order to protect human health, protect nature's beneficial ecosystems, improve environmental related enhancement of the quality of human life. The environmental subject is now consisting of 5 units. So, in the first unit, we will be understanding the urban water supply. We will be studying about the sources of water. Impurities that are present in the water, and what is the demand that is required for supply that particular water to the consumer. And in the unit 2, we will be studying about the water treatment process. See, typical layout of the treatment process and different other processes what we involve in the treatment facility, and the design of these treatment individual units. All these aspects we will be studying in the unit 2. And in the unit 3, we will be understanding the distribution systems, different types of distribution systems, and how do you design the distribution system, what are the different layouts of the distribution system, and all these aspects that we will be studying here. And apart from that, we will be also studying about the collection of sewage and different sewerage systems and different aspects of domestic sewage we will be studying about. And in the 4th unit, we will be studying about the sewage treatment processes and different set of treatment units we have and layout of the sewage treatment plant. All these aspects we will be studying here. And in the 5th unit, we will be studying about the sewage treatment plant design and removal of the sludge, disposal of the sludge, and everything. So we will have basically the 42 contact hours for this particular subject, where individually, if you see, we will be observing the learning outcomes of this particular subject. Like, see, you can at last, after the studying of this particular subject, you'll be learning the water treatment layout, and how to design the water treatment layout, how to analyze the unit operations and its processes, and how to design water and sewage collection systems. Water distribution and sewage collection systems. And then you'll be analyzing the sewage treatment operations, and you'll be designing the sludge treatment and disposal systems. And completely after you study this course, you will be having an integrated idea on the integrated design of complete water and sewerage systems. So basically, if you observe, as we learned that environmental engineering is the application of scientific and engineering principles to improve and maintain the environment along with the human life. See, environmental engineers generally they do devise solutions for wastewater management, water and air pollution control, recycling of waste and disposal of waste, and also public health. They do design the municipal water supply and industrial wastewater treatment systems, and prevent waterborne diseases, and improve sanitation in urban, rural, and recreational areas. And they evaluate hazardous waste management systems to evaluate the severity of hazards, and they advise on treatment and containment of the hazardous waste, and they do involve in the development of regulations to prevent mishaps, and they implement environmental engineering law. See, as in assessing the environmental impact of a proposed constructional works or any other different kind of projects. So basically, environmental engineers study the effect of technological advancements on the environment. They do address local and global environmental issues such as acid rains, global warming, ozone layer depletion, water pollution and air pollution from automobile exhaust, and industrial sources. So you can observe the learning resources. See, you can follow P.V. Rowe, Copenhagen's Environmental Engineering, and Water and Wastewater Engineering by Goel, or you can even refer to the CPHEO manuals on water supply and sewerage system for this particular subject. So in the coming video, we'll learn the first learning concept. Thank you.